Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to create some amazing 2D animations but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to take a look at 5 of the best 2D animation software that will help you bring your creative ideas to life. And yes, we'll be covering both free and paid options, so there's something for everyone. Let's dive in. 1. Toon Boom Harmony. First up, we have Toon Boom Harmony. This software is a professional industry standard used by top studios around the world, including Cartoon Network and Disney. Whether you're working on a simple cartoon or a full-featured animated series, Toon Boom Harmony has all the tools you need. Harmony offers frame-by-frame animation, rigging, and advanced compositing features, making it perfect for creating highly detailed animations. It also supports both traditional hand-drawn and cut-out style animation. You can even import and animate your assets seamlessly. Price. Toon Boom Harmony offers 3 pricing tiers: Essentials for $25 per month, Advanced for $49 per month, and Premium for $75 per month. There's also a free trial available. 2. Adobe Animate. Next up is Adobe Animate. If you've used Adobe's suite of tools before, then Animate will feel like home. It's one of the most popular choices for web and interactive animation, and it's perfect for creating everything from web banners to animated characters. With Adobe Animate, you can create smooth vector-based animations with its robust set of drawing tools. The software also supports HTML5 Canvas, which is great for creating animations for websites, and you can easily export to video or GIF format. Price. Adobe Animate is available through Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription, which costs $20.99 per month for individuals. There's also a free trial available for 7 days. 3. OpenToons. If you're looking for a free open-source 2D animation tool, OpenToons is a fantastic choice. It's used by professional studios like Studio Ghibli, so you know it's capable of some serious animation work. OpenToons offers features like vector drawing, raster animation, and special effects like camera moves and compositing. Plus, it's highly customizable, and since it's open source, you can tweak it to fit your needs. Price. OpenToons is completely free to use, which makes it an excellent choice for beginners and professionals on a budget. 4. Moho, formerly Anime Studio. Up next, we have Moho, formerly known as Anime Studio. Moho is a powerful animation tool that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned animators. It provides a unique combination of traditional animation tools and modern rigging features. Moho is known for its bone rigging system, which allows you to animate characters with ease. It also includes vector-based drawing tools, frame-by-frame animation, and advanced motion graphics tools. Plus, it's great for both 2D animation and stop-motion work. Price. Moho offers 2 pricing options: Moho Debut for $59.99, perfect for beginners, and Moho Pro for $399, Moho Pro for features. There's also a free trial available. Last but certainly not least, we have PENCIL2D. If you're just starting out with 2D animation and you want something simple and lightweight, PENCIL2D is a great option. PENCIL2D is a free, open-source software that focuses on traditional hand-drawn animation. It has a very simple interface and basic tools, making it perfect for beginners who just want to focus on learning the fundamentals of animation. Price. PENCIL2D is completely free to use, and it's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. So there you have it, 5 amazing 2D animation software options for every skill level and budget. Whether you're just starting out or you're a professional animator, there's something for everyone here. Which of these animation tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on animation and design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Check out our other videos for more animation tutorials and tips, links below.